Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Ellen, and on this channel I like to post videos about sewing, cooking, and gardening. I've pretty much only done sewing thus far, but I plan to expand that in the future. In today's video I'm going to be showing what I made in October and November. I made three sewing items, and then I thrifted a pair of pants and took them in a little bit to fit me better. So without further ado, I'm going to start with the pants. I found these black corduroy pants at my local thrift store. There we go. And what I did was I put in 2 darts in the back. There's one, and then there is 2. I took in probably about 2 inches total, so 1 inch darts on each side that I just showed you. And then on the side seams of the pants, I took that in probably about 1 inch on each side. Well, maybe 2 inches on each side. Yeah, probably like 2 inches on each side. They were a size 16, so and I usually wear like an 8 or 10. So yep, took those in a little bit, and they kind of fit like a straight leg. I'll post a picture here what they look like. I think they turned out pretty well. I've never done anything like this before. So it has me excited to find more things at thrift store and then kind of transform them into something new. So the next thing I made, the first of the sewing looks, I made the New Look 6683, the view A. Maybe, there we go. This view and the view on the model. So I originally made the dress, obviously, but I didn't like how it fit. It was a little bit too tight in the skirt area, or the skirt portion, and then kind of too big in the upper portion. So I ended up just cutting off the skirt part, kind of at the pockets here. It's a little bit more cropped on me because I think I have a longer torso than the model does because it hits me a little bit higher. But I actually really like the cropped look. And I sized down one size. So I made a 14, I believe. Maybe I even made a 16. Yeah, I made Okay, I made a 14, and I sized down the top to a 12, and it fits me a lot better. This is the shirt. It's this green knit fabric. I really like the color. It's coming up pretty true on camera. But yeah. And it was my first time doing these like balloon sleeves, so that was fun. I've never really done a collar like this, so that was fun. But yeah, I will throw up a picture here to show you guys what it looks like on. Yeah, I really like it. I'll be using that pattern again for sure. Alright, the next pattern that I made is the Simplicity 9181. It's these wide cropped leg pants, and I love how these turned out. I made a size 14, and I don't think I had to make any adjustments after the fact. I might have increased the dart size some. But yeah, I had a lot of fun making these pants, and I made them in this light green suiting fabric. It's really pretty. This is definitely more of a spring and summer pant, but I can't wait to wear them. Yeah, I really like them. I got it at Joann's. I'll try to link the fabric below. One thing that I did differently, I didn't have an invisible zipper, so I just used a general or like an all-purpose one, but it still came out fine. So if I were to make these again, which I think I will because they're really cute, I'll I'll probably try to make them in a corduroy or some sort of like maybe even a wool, I don't know. But I'll definitely use the invisible zipper then, so it's correct. But yeah, I really loved making these pants. Finally, I made this dress, the Simplicity 8834 UB. There we go. Has those nice balloon sleeves. I don't really know what the proper term for them are. I should probably look that up. But it hits right at the knee, and there's this really cool tie in the front there. I really enjoyed making this dress. I think I made it in a 12 or 14, probably 14. But I didn't have to make any adjustments, so it turned out really nice. This is the fabric I got for making this dress. It's coming up a lot brighter on camera. It's more of like a dark sort of fabric, but it's black, blue, and this like purplish red, burgundy, maroon, I'm not quite sure. But it's like a zigzag pattern, and I really like it. It's lightweight, but it's, you know, like kind of like a fall and winter color. But I'll probably mostly wear this to work, or if I need to wear like a nicer, not nicer dress, but a more like business appropriate dress, I could wear this. Yeah, this is a really fun dress to make, and I enjoyed it, and I'll probably make the View C for the summer. Maybe. There we go. Just a short sleeve version of View B, essentially. Alright, so that wraps it up for this video. My sewing makes for October and November. If you guys like this video, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I plan on making a whole series of gardening videos in the spring, probably starting in January. So I'm gonna make a few videos on that. Just my plan, and then actually starting seeds, transplanting, the whole nine. So be sure to stick around for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.